Wait for people to come on in. All right, let's open up some code. Let's make sure I'm just live here because I don't know if I'm even live. Yep. Well, why is that not working? That's not working. Leo, how you doing, man? Let me just try this here. Hello. Oh wow, everyone's joining in so fast. How's it going, everybody? How's it going? Just now trying to figure out why my event has not started. What's going on here? Your voice is not clear. How is my voice, everybody? Is this okay? Mohammed Hamim. Hi everybody, how's it going? How is everyone doing today? Um, Hello, the mic sounds like you're underwater. Okay, let's see. All right, how about now? Is that better? Is this better right now? I might have had two things go on. I think I just turned one off. Still sounds bad. Okay, one sec here. This is getting annoying. So I'm using my AirPods right now because, oh, now it's good. Okay, perfect. Okay, just a little bit of a delay there. Okay, thanks, guys. All right, now I'm just trying to get the stream up here on chat because I want to be able for you guys to see. I want you guys on the stream as well. So give me one second here. I'm just going to go ahead and start putting you on because now I'm just trying to. This is getting annoying here because this restream. I use this thing called Restream to be able to like I want you guys to be able to see. So again, it's saying event not started, but the thing is that event it has to like I'm streaming right now. Low quality a bit. Look like I just woke up. Well, thank you very much. That's funny. Okay, one second. Almost there, guys, here. I'm almost getting there. Chat settings. Because if not, I might just because the what I noticed last time is that up here, or like where you guys saw, is is that it only did Twitch, which I'm streaming to on YouTube and Twitch, but almost everything here is on YouTube, and I obviously want everybody to be part of the conversation. Let's see if multi-stream works, because I don't think it does. Good. Oh, 3D Monius is following. I think that's from Twitch right there. I'm a bit quiet. Let me turn up my gain a little bit here. Hello, hello, hello. Now it should be. Yes, I am using OBS, and that's the issue with this is that I am using OBS. Um, so I hope I do a stream on JavaScript. Yeah, I definitely will be doing that. So, okay, this is weird. This is freaking weird. Okay, let's just try this. So someone asked, how did I learn video editing? I just did it. Like everything I would think of a new effect I wanted to do and I would just do it. Like that was kind of it. I would look up a tutorial and then after it builds up after a long time, you just get really good at it. Uh, I mean, I wouldn't even say I'm good at video editing necessarily, but I just, I've learned after a while. Here you go, guys. Look at me. I'm just freaking live doing this on the spot. Um, Fit destinations. Let's try this then. Event not started. Oh no. Okay, that's the Hi 3D Monius. How you doing? All right. You know what, guys? What we're going to do is we're just going to get out of this. I'm just going to change this input source. Look at this, guys. This is how you do it. This is how you potato. You sound more optimistic in your YouTube shorts. Yeah, maybe because this is brand new to me. I have no idea what I'm doing, but none of us really do we? None of us really know what we're doing. Okay, so this should support. Let's just do this. Add source. All right. Now I'm moving this over here. Which browser should I use? Firefox or Chrome? I use Firefox, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you want to do. Oh, that's not that one. It's the chat box. Themed box. Okay. Font settings. Trying to get this. Oh, I just moved. Oh my goodness, I'm moving my input. All right. There we go. Move this over here. All right. Multi-stream. Okay. Opera is way faster. Brave. Oh, there we go. I see you guys now, and you're going over my face. There we go. Perfect. Oh, thank goodness. That was starting to get annoying. All right, perfect, guys. So, finally, we are back to normal. We are back to normal here, people. So, only one thing is that let's do this so that I'm taking up most of the screen here. Okay. All right, guys. So, in this stream right here, I'm going to be learning some Rust. The Rust programming language is going to be essential for a new video that I'll be doing in the next little bit on my YouTube channel, a long form as well as a short form. So I am looking forward to doing this here. Let's do this here. Perfect. Where's the chat? I don't see the chat. Okay. All right. Let's see. So hello, everybody. So I'm going to go through just some comments here, guys, because I want to make sure that everyone is, being responded to. Then we're going to jump into the code a little bit. So let me just go through the comments here. And I'm sorry if looks like you just woke up. I I don't know how to take those comments. Okay, Lewis, I need your help. What do you need help with? Let's see here. So browser. So which will be the future of PHP about its demands in the future? I mean, the whole web is powered by PHP. So PHP is going to be here for a long, long time. So I am not going to count on that being gone and then anytime soon. Opera is way faster. Someone said that. Use Brave. Vivaldi is an option. Hey, Lewis, I am your big fan. Thank you very much for being a fan of the content. What is the best way to make money with coding? I am 12. I learned CSS, HTML, and JavaScript and Python. I mean, when you're 12, I mean, it's hard to get a job when you're 12. You could maybe try some freelance gigs. I can't tell you this because I can't let a minor know how to make money because I don't know what the legalities of that is. So you do what you can. I apologize in advance. Let's see here. Your shorts are amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Lewis, have you ever worked with an FFS file? No, I have not. Hey everybody, what is the best way to make money with coding? Okay, I just saw that. Make sure you guys, I'll get to your question, guys. You don't have to repeat your comments. Hey Lewis, please take my name. Like in marriage? Chinmay? You want me to take your name in marriage? I'm already engaged here, bro. I appreciate it. Maybe. We'll see though. Um, which editor are you using? I'm using VS Code. Um, Hi Lewis, do you make a video compiling Rust for many platforms in the future? Yeah, I can do that, like maybe some performance things. Okay, I just get into the Bro, ChatGPT is not working. Yeah, I think we're gonna test that in a moment here. You cannot give a job. Okay. Greetings from Croatia. We watch you here. You're doing great. Thank you very much, Marina. Thank you for your content. Pleasure is all mine. You can tell them, can you make a Rust compiler a little faster? Well, we're learning today. That's a little bit outside my comfort zone. Long video tutorial from you. Stay tuned for that. That is coming very soon. You should put acoustic foams to improve your mic quality. Yes. So at the moment, I'm using AirPods. On the ground, I have some foams, and then up there, I have some foams coming soon. So you will see some improvement in this. Um, but yeah, you're 100% right there, Justin. Congrats on the engagements. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so happy about it. My friend's had a virus in his computer with a VBS file. But what is VBS? Oh, I have no idea. Hey, just want to thank you for your videos. Keep going. Thank you so much, Raphael. Oh, big one. What should I learn? What shortcut button? I'll learn Vim because then you could brag about it to all your friends. Do I know JavaScript? Yes, I do. Hey, Mab, how's it going? Can you teach web developing, please? Yeah, absolutely. Sanchez, I need a sugar mommy. We all need a sugar mommy. If I had a sugar mommy, I wouldn't be doing this thing right here. I'd be getting smothered. um, God, we need to touch some grass here. Linux versus Windows versus Mac. Oh, I use Mac. I love Linux. Windows is all right too, though. I mean, you can really use all. I just learned React and Firebase. Should I learn TypeScript? Yes. When am I going to get married? Not sure. Okay, so I'm just going to do another couple minutes here of answering questions here, guys. We'll jump into the code for a little bit, and then we'll get back into it. What is the best language to learn in 2013, 2023? Probably just whatever you're comfortable with. Honestly, Python's another good one. Um, let's see, what jobs do you think ChatGPT can do inside of human? um, hopefully not a lot. From Nepal, love your content. Thank you very much. Um, VBS is Visual Basics, right? I wouldn't bother learning. I don't really know if that's used much in the industry, but I could be wrong. My videos are great. Thank you. Thank you for the 40. Sorry, don't know what that is, but I love your content. Love from India and love from Canada. OP boy. Who's going to be your wife, bro? If my fiance Sydney is going to be, but if that doesn't work out, Chinmay, then you know what? You're second on the list. You're the only person that's ever asked that, so you're second on the list. Um, can I do a video explaining how to edit on your shorts? I think I do have a video up, I think, but I could be wrong. Yes, I'll share make sure you guys follow me on Instagram here, guys. If you go to Instagram, /Lewis Menelaus, I am almost at 112,000 followers over here. You can see right there, I'm almost at 112,000. So make sure you give that a like there. All right, how to get the coder tag? I'm not entirely sure. Can I become programming without studying more than 10th grade? Yeah, absolutely. You can be a programmer with anything. Um, can you explain Android app development and user feedback? That's my best way of doing it. Is all the layoffs happening now due to AI? So I don't think it is happening now due to AI. I think it's just happening because due to the pandemic, people thought they were going to, like companies thought that they would need more programmers because they were going to get more users. But after the pandemic happened, people just kind of went back to normal life and they couldn't keep up with the demand. So I think that's why people are getting laid off. But it's just, again, it's a curvature. Um, Go or Rust. I'm learning Rust right now. What? Let's see, bro. How to learn Unreal 5, C++. Learn that. Hey, Lewis, one more request. Please do make a video using C++ 20. I know you may not be a C++ fan, but please give it a try. I really do want to learn C++ because, I mean, I'm learning Rust right now, which is like the C++ alternative, but I'm really down to try out the C++, just because that would, like, I could brag about it to all my friends. Watching from Nigeria, love your content. Thank you very much, Annie. Damn, you're famous. Yeah, yeah, right. Um, Lewis, I got a freelance offer. I'm a beginner and I know a little bit of React. React Query and Tailwind and create small APIs with Laravel, MySQL, the freelancers like to create e-commerce website. What should I do? Do whatever is the easiest option. Again, when it comes to freelance work versus programming help, you got kind of two different advice. As a programmer, you obviously want to use all the technology you want to learn, but that just might not be practical in the terms of what you want to do, while in the freelancing area that you want to be as efficient with your time as possible. The more time you spend, the more money you lose essentially. So if I was you, I would choose the what can you build from A to B very faster so you can make more money and then like be happier. Favorite programming language? Right now it's Python just because it's so easy. Um, all right, guys. Are you Korean? I'm not Korean. I am full blown Caucasian. Full blown Caucasian. From born in Scotland. So, but live in Canada. Definitely not Korean. I've always wanted to visit Korea though. C++ is easier than Rust. All right. Do you have any resources on Java? Not at the moment. Is Rust beginner friendly? I would say no. What plugins do you recommend for us? I have no idea. I'm actually just learning at the moment, which again, we're going to get right into it. Do you know Java? I'm from India and I currently in class. Which language should you suggest me? Um, Whatever's comfortable. Like you want to build something very fast, so maybe Python. Just choose one. Like maybe see what industry you're looking for. Some people love Java. Um, Sir Lewis is answering now like Google. Yeah, I know. Hey, I'm just giving my advice on things. Hey, Wombo Zombo, how you doing? I'm actually finished. Make sure you guys, by the way, if you guys want more conversation, make sure you go see the over there Discord over here. Make sure you visit this Discord link right here. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger for you guys to see. But if you go to this Discord, we have a very active community where we're actually talking about code and everything all day. So if you want, I'm very active on there. I have a lot of moderators on there who are also very like it's a great community. Make sure you go over there and give it a try. So, all right, guys. So something I am going to do right now is just for the sake of, let me just go ahead and do something real quick because I want to add a timer. So I don't know if you guys heard of productivity timers or if you've heard of any type of thing, but something I want to do is I want to do some, for the people who join the stream to watch me code, I do want to encourage that, but I want to be able to, I want to also answer questions too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an overlay. Okay. I'm just going to create a little 10-minute timer where I'm going to have a look at this. And then what's going to happen is that this is going to be, so coding time. Let's just do this here. Okay. Preview. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to code for 10 minutes straight, no answer to the question or like no like answering questions, and then we'll kind of go back into it just to see. Like I want to be able to teach everybody how to kind of get in that mindset with coding. But I'm trying to figure out how do I even get to this thing right? Oh, there we go. Link copied. Perfect. Okay, so let me go ahead, open this up, do a little thing right here. Okay, so just gonna open up an overlay here. Window capture. I'll just call this timer. Timer. What is this? What is this thing called? Twitch countdown. Okay. Coding time. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do as well is to make this a little bit prettier. We're just going to add a crop. Again, like this is what's cool, you guys. I am literally learning how to stream while you guys are on stream. And then 100. Let's just do this. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Let's just do this. I will bring this under here. All right. Okay, guys. So, all right, easy Codia. Oh, easy Codus. No spam in here, guys. All right, no more spamming. We cannot spam. Why is this just not working here? Or actually, should I have done it a different way? One sec here, guys. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I promise you I'm getting better. Widgets. There should be like a URL option, custom widget. That's a HTML. Alert box, super chat goal, sponsor credits. There should be like just like one I can just enter a stream label. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. And then, yeah, absolutely. I definitely need to get some moderators on here because a lot of people are spamming. A lot of people are spamming. No more spamming, please. Event list, dynamic live alerts. Oh man, browser source. There we go. Okay. There we go. Holy moly. Okay, perfect. So we are going to code for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to do a little bit more. We're going to then come back to this. Okay, so for everyone in the chat, I'm just going to do 10 minutes of coding and we'll get started now. So guys, so in this right here, I am learning Rust and I am using the Rustlings course in order to do this. So again, this is full transparency here, but there's going to be lots of mistakes. There's going to be lots of errors, but what it's going to be is going to be me trying out Rust and seeing how it goes. So let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm using the Rustlings course. I think there's a Rustlings watch. Yeah, there's a Rustlings watch command. Let me be. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, perfect. So what it does here in the Rustlings command, so over there in the little command, you can see that it's giving me an error in some area. So let's see. So I'm just going to do this. You can see, okay, so let me just go ahead and delete this. So as you can see, it says populate the scores table with details extracted from the current line. Keep in mind that the goals scored by Team 1 will be number of goals conceded from Team 1 or Team 2. And similarly, goals scored by Team 2 will be the number of goals conceded by Team 1. Fix this. Okay, so I guess what we can see right here is we have, let me just go ahead and do this. What we have right there is we have to build up the scores table. So we can see that they have a struct right here where team where has the name, the goals scored, and goals conceded as a string and two U8 integers. All right, let's see. Now, let's see here, guys. I'm going to refresh chat there. I don't know what's going on. All right, so let's see. Keep in mind, Max, what is going on here in the chat? Are you guys going crazy? All right, so the scores is a hash map of string and team. Okay, so get results, string, let results. So this is what the result, so get results should look like this, I believe. Is that correct? So as we can see here, we have the 4R in result. So we do have the result lines here, like each line in the results thing. Let me just see if I can just print. Yeah, let's try this for now. I want to see what so we can see. Oh, whoops, I should probably do this here because it's just gonna. Team cannot be formatted using this. Okay, again, just getting used to this. Let me remove the semicolon here. So I guess you could just do something along the lines of, so I guess because we do have it right here, team one equals string, populate the scores table. What's funny is I do have GitHub Copilot as well installed. So, all right, scores. Let's see, team one name. Thank you to everybody who's following and subscribing. E-texture. There's a lot of people following. I really appreciate everybody following and people staying engaged in the chat. Make sure you join the Discord over here to the left of me. So let's see, what do we have to do? Scores. Okay, that's what we have to do. So we have to add on. So scores dot insert. Actually, we'll take GitHub Copilot's name for or thing for now. So what we're doing is we're taking the team one name as a string. Okay, perfect. And I think, yes, so this is where it's going to France, Germany, Italy. So it's going to take all of these right here, I believe, and say, like, is it equal to this? Freak Level is now following. Hey, thank you, Freak Level. I think you are probably following from Twitch over here. Oh, yes, I do see it. Oh, and there's Harry the Dev over on Twitch as well. Thank you very much. All right. So, okay, so I mean, I guess we could just insert the team one name. Uh, so I just wish I could get a whole block of the data. You know what I mean? 4 minutes left here. So we still got 4 minutes of coding here, guys. So I'm just going to code for another 4 minutes. Then we're going to come back and answer some questions. So, let's see here. Okay. So, let's see. So scores.insert, team one name, team. So part of me wonders if goal scored is team one scored and then goals conceded is team two score. Okay. Wonder if this will work then, if I just do it like this. Not found in this scope. Let's see. Okay. So the way we have it here, everybody, is that it's we have like our code up here, and then we have the error logs happening at the bottom. It's the test is supposed to pass. This is a Rustlings, Cloud Embers. How you doing? Thank you for love the videos. Thank you so much, Cloud Embers. I appreciate that. I'm seeing that over on Twitch there. So here's what I'm trying to think here. I wonder if there's a timer on here. That'd be pretty cool. Timer. Because that would be cool if there's like a little simple timer I could just put right on here. Oh, okay, it's down there. Nah, we'll just leave it at what we got there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we have team one name. So let's see here. Not found in this scope. Oh, you know what? Is it because I have to do this right here? Maybe I have to put it above here. Okay, value used here after move. So let team one move occurs. Team one has a type string, which does not implement the copy trait. All right, so let's just go ahead. I mean, what else can we do here, guys? Now, I'm seeing a lot of people are talking about ChatGPT in here. Let's see if ChatGPT is closed. ChatGPT. Oh, actually, I was on ChatGPT. Come on. Ah, dang it. Why are you closed? Why are you closed? All right, whatever. Stack Overflow. All right. Or let's just go to Google and type this in. But I think, oh no. Okay, let's see. Firefox. All right, how to fix this does not implement copy. Here you need to clone trait instead of copy. The copy trait indicates that there. So, okay, so it's clone. I wonder if that is even, like, I don't even know. Does this do something? Oh, okay. Well, we didn't get any errors there, but we just didn't get the right result that we're looking for. So, let's see. All right. So running failures. Okay. Validate team two score. Option unwrap or none value. No. Okay. Left four, right five. So this one failed because it should have been four instead of five. Where's the goals on this here? Team dot goal scored. Like I wonder where all the go unwrap. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, we'll take a little break here because coding time is over. Um, yes, let's go ahead and ask the if I'll just go ahead and go through the comments here. Love the videos. Join the Discord server. Welcome. Okay. Harry has access to ChatGPT. Lucky you. Lucky you. Okay, guys. India. Yep. Love to India. Um, all right. What if ChatGPT facing downtime? I know. Well, sadly, that's what happened. It is down. I can't get back into it. But that, you know what? That's karma because the last time I tried to go onto it, it was down for everybody else but me. So come on. Um, let's see here. What if very similar to concepts to C++? Yeah, and so again, we're going into very much more low language levels. I mean, with Python, this would be easy, but you know, I need to learn this low level area, and Rust is in my 2023 to do list. So absolutely. Will you make a video about the unique ways of coding in different languages? Some things way easier here or there. No classes mean you can't do. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. I was thinking about doing a video where we compare the syntax of two languages, but the pros and cons of each. Because again, like, you know, I hate to be talking about Python again, but Python obviously is going to be easier no matter what. But what is the cons of Python? If Rust is giving you a significant performance improvement, then is it worth the more like you know the types and stuff rather than just coding stuff fast? So yeah, the great idea. There's something other. Let's see. I'm glad you guys are talking in the chat, by the way, to each other because again, the goal of our community that you can see over here in the Discord. Sorry, let me just move myself over here in the Discord, or let's see, sorry, Discord. Make sure you guys join that right there. Is we want to create a very positive influence community where we can create lots of different things. And thanks to this Discord community, we were able to create the Reddit video bot maker, which lets you create a Reddit bot in just one command. Over 4,500 likes, and this is all thanks to the Discord community that we built over there. So make sure you go give that a check out. Let's see, for software development. Oh, sorry, I'm just missing a couple things. Hi, I'm a big fan. Thank you very much. Thank you for your content. Just a little question. What should I learn from machine learning? Good question. Now, here's the thing. If you want to get into the machine learning industry, you probably want to learn like C++, Rust, maybe even Python at a high level language. But if you just want to like implement machine learning in your easy way, you could honestly use tools that can just do that for you, like training your model on your own. So you don't have to keep doing that. Because again, it is going to be something that, yeah, there's Harry right there. One second. I just got to go into the chat here and give one Harry, the dev. I just got to give him some mod privileges. Oh, there's me. Okay, there we go. Harry, put user in timeout. Could you imagine? There we go. Explode code. I'm going to add you as mod too because you help. All right. Perfect. All right. Okay. Perfect. Sorry about that. So yeah, if I was you, I would learn Python. If I wanted to You could do Python to do the high level, but yeah, there's lots of tools out there that lets you build machine learning models just so easily because of that. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Just trying to scroll up on the chat here. For software development of any type, which language is better? I mean, better is objective. Whatever works for you. At the end of the day, it's not the language, it's what you build and whatever um, is your scenario, I guess. For me, I love Python because I just want to build stuff fast and move on. And when it comes to my videos, when it comes to my projects, I'm always making projects fast, moving on to the next. And Python allows me to do that. But for a lot of people, that's not what they need. So they choose something better. So just stick to something and then move on. What am I making? I am currently working on a just the Rust tutorial. I'm trying to learn one of my big things this year is to learn Rust. And if you guys want to catch up with the latest tea of me, if that's what you want to say, I posted my top 5 things that I wanted to learn this year. Right here on Twitter. You guys can go ahead and have a look at that. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Twitter too. I'm trying to get to 2,000 followers. I'm at 16,000 or 1,600. I need to like that's so much lower compared to everywhere else. So definitely give me a follow there. But yeah, I'm just doing the wrestling course at the moment. Let's see. What is your first programming language? Lua. It was actually the Lua programming language, and it was to learn how to make Roblox games. What do you think about the future of Web3? I don't think it's going to go too far, but it is going somewhere. I just think that a lot's going on right now. Coding with Malou. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi, Lewis. Thanks for the tutorial. My pleasure. My pleasure. What language you're using now? Right now, I'm using Rust for this. Also, visual coding, haven't seen much on it outside Blender. Yeah, absolutely. I don't code, but I respect the hustle. Keep doing what you're doing. Hey, thank you very much, Draven Outplays. Just if you ever want to learn how to code, Discord community right there is really helpful, and like we're just an open community. How is Rust different from Solidity? I'm not sure. Is Solidity the one where you code in the blockchain? Yeah, okay. So I mean, I'm not entirely sure because I haven't used Solidity. Okay. Levany. Okay, actually, there's the Levany there. I'll go. Oh, Incendio Hawk. Thank you for the follow. That's a Twitch follower right there, everybody. If you want to pop up right there, make sure you go give me a follow on Twitch. All right. Where's Levany? Where is that guy? I know he's in here somewhere. There he is. Okay. There we go. There you go, Levany. Um, okay. So I'm on Harry mod, I'm on. Bro, you are amazing. Thank you so much. For software development of any type, which language is better? I think I answered that one already. What would be the best language for reverse engineering? I mean, really any language you can reverse engineer things in, honestly. So anyone, you just choose. Wave your right hand if you read my message, Lewis. This is my right hand, but it looks like my left, I promise. Emojis look bad here. I'm used to Discord. Yeah, I'm not a fan of them either, Explode Code. Harry Motter, you are a wizard. Dude, that was that joke right there. That was awesome, man. um, okay, man. Oh, I'm getting real behind on this here. Okay, give mod hair, bro. You're amazing. Thank you. I think I saw that. All hail the mod. Yeah. Best content on YouTube. Thank you so much. Oh, I like this emoji. That's a good emoji right there. I'm new to your channel. I'm interested to know how you manage time with different coding projects. No sleep and coffee primarily, but mostly you just use a time tracking tool. Like a lot of the time, oh, I won't go in my calendar, it's personal. But if you go in your calendar, you can time block things and just like divvy it up into small content. I'm new to your channel and okay, I already saw that. I answered like 4 times. Okay, hey back again. Welcome back. Make a type of can we make a type of YouTube software? Can we replace YouTube? Is coding with Lewis going to be the next YouTube replacement? Oh, that would be tough. That would be really tough. Um, Yes, I think I just did there, Harry. Hey, Lewis, I wanted to get started with Web3. I'm currently learning JavaScript React. How should I start right now or maybe later? By the way, love your content. I would look into some developer APIs that interface with the Web3 blockchain rather than using like Solidity, because I do believe that there's some things that can transcribe into it, but that's what I believe. Um, Okay, what is your favorite programming language? Sorry, I'm sorry to everybody that I am not seeing at the moment. I am trying to reply to everybody here, because I love you all. Hey, Lewis, I just want to get started. Okay, I already read that. Which software is the hardest to learn? Malbolge. No, I'm just joking. Probably like C++. My favorite languages are Python because it's Python and C Sharp because it's easy. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. I'm in second year of my AA computer science degree and haven't learned coding. Don't know a lot. I have a C++ course in the summer, but I'm having difficulty studying. I don't know how to start studying. Just honestly, man, C++ tutorial. Maybe learn how to spell, unlike me. At least I got the semicolon right. At least there wasn't a syntax error. Excuse me. But honestly, there's lots of good ways like cplus.com. It's mostly like getting started, doing the initial tutorial, and then moving on to some projects. Okay. What is the most used language in your opinion? I think the most used language is Python or JavaScript. Um, you should check out his AMA. Oh yeah, I already, that was awesome. Yeah, thank you, Harry, for looking at that. Can I use ChatGPT to write code for me using AI without having to break my hand in creating the logic? Break your hand in creating the logic? What are you breaking your hand for? Learn Rust feels more modern than C++. Yeah, is it good? Explode code. I'm currently liking it. Yeah, but it is a little bit. Oh man, I am behind. Okay, Lou, I learned is really fast. How to build a YouTube application. I'm honestly not sure. Do I have a portfolio? No, I have a website, lewismenelaws.com, but it needs work. Um, can you teach us Python? Yes. Stay tuned. Stay really tuned for that. Can you suggest any private teacher who can teach me JavaScript online? I can't because I'm not honestly not too sure. Um, why did you choose Rust for the tutorial? Because I want to learn it this year. It's my challenge. Um, can you explain Rust compilation? Let's see. By the way, guys, if you want to go on Twitch, if you want to see me on Twitch, it's just coding with Lewis on Twitch. You'll see me there. Can you explain Rust compilation process? Um, I can't, I can't. I'm sorry. I don't know. Um, can you teach us Python from the beginning? Yes. So stay tuned for that. Um, Twitch is coding with Lewis, everybody, if you want to go on there. It's the same as like what it is right there, but just there. Do you use new coding language, Epic Chungles? Yes, I use Epic Chungles programming language. It is by far the best programming language that exists. So Epic Chungles programming language. Shout out to Jeremy there. Lil Snooze. Check out some of his music if you guys have it. Lil Snooze on Spotify. Check it out. Um, where am I? Elon Musk fan club. Oh, what's up? What up, Elon? How you doing? I never knew Elon. I thought you were busy with Twitter. Um, hello, everybody. Can you teach us Python? Yeah. So Twitter handle is at Lewis Menelaws. Um, let's see here. It's not coding with Lewis. It's right here, Lewis Menelaws, right there. Okay, coming close here. So, what's his Twitch account? Any recommendation on good data? No, no recommendation. Sadly, I haven't done any yet. Where do I work? I am self-employed. I have my own business with a couple of people. If you go on my YouTube channel and search up day in the life, I show a day in the life of my YouTube or content creation that I do right here, as well as my business that I run at the moment. How to build a WhatsApp application, probably just through their API, I believe. I can do a video on that later, perhaps. Hello, coding with Lewis. What can we do with Rust? You can do a lot. Right now, I have a Raspberry Pi, so I plan on using more like embedded applications in the future. But I'm just kind of grasping the basics here first. Hey, Lewis, have you ever programmed in C++? In school a long time ago, but I would really need to get back into it. What should we learn in order to become a software engineer? Just learn at least one programming language. Maybe choose the easiest one that you can. What if I get a job but never code anything? Then you hit your boss in the head. You tell him I need to learn some code. Do you think can replace Kotlin? Probably not. Stream Lewis chat timer when yes. So I'm just right at the bottom here. What would be high? Um, what is my opinions on current situation of AI art? I actually did a talk at this on my local art gallery. It's going to be posted soon. Okay, we're going back into the chat timer here, guys, because I need to get back into the code. All right, we're getting right back into it. There we go. Okay, let's get back into it again. Twitter right here. Thank you to everybody who's following me over on there. Um, cool. So let's go. Let's just get right back into it. All right. So where we last left off 20 minutes ago is we just got the scores inserted, but we never was able to. Oh, thank you, Sizimon Nagriwa. Thank you very much for joining there. So let's see here. Okay, so um, what we have to do here is we just gotta basically take a hash map of all these scores and then put them in. So as you can see right here, we have team one name. Let's see, keep in mind that goals scored by team one will be number of goal. So the goals scored by team one will be number of goals conceded. So is this it right here? No, 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 not true. So left two. So the thing is, let's just try this, okay? Because I want to. So we'll print. Now I don't know why I'm not getting autocomplete here on my Rust. Rust Analyzer. Why is the Rust Analyzer not working? Rust Analyzer. All right, well, whatever. So print. Lil Snooze donated $5 through Super Chat. Yo, shout out to Lil Snooze. Give him a follow on Spotify. Um, let me just go here. If you guys want, Lil Snooze, okay. Give this guy a follow. Give this guy a listen. Great coding music. Great coding music. All right, so when will you start your Minecraft Let's Play series? Whenever I feel like I want to start taking it seriously, like. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these. So we can see right here that we have England 4. So Captain Coben, thank you for the follow. Thank you very much for the follow. All right. So I'm just trying to, so again, this seems easy, guys. I understand that this seems easy, but I am just trying to figure this out. So left, right. Is it just because I need to do this? Team2 name.clone. Name is equal to team2 name. Goal scored. Team2 score. Team2 1 score. I don't think this is it, but I just want to give it a try. I think I do have a little problem. Lewis reminds me of Stewie from Family Guy. Sorry, I gotta pause here. Someone said that I look like Stewie from Family Guy. All right, let's just see here. Stewie Family Guy. I gotta look this up here. That is hilarious. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? Let's see here. Do you guys see it? One second. Do you guys see it? You guys see it? I don't see it, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the compliment. I'll take it. Lewis looks like a Minecraft villager. Oh, come on. Now you guys are just gassing me up. Thank you, Leo, for following. Let's have a look here. You think I look like a Minecraft villager? One second. You think I look like a Minecraft villager? One sec here. Minecraft. Oh, come on. I don't care about that. That's hilarious. Minecraft villager. All right. Stewie Griffin, Minecraft villager. Let's see. Minecraft villager, PNG. Just because you guys said that. Just because you guys said that. We're adding them on the screen. Of course, it has to be a web. Let's see. PNG. Where is, let's do this. There we go. All right, guys. You guys asked for it. You guys asked for it. There you go. And this is how we developers get distracted sometimes. Yeah, this is your fault, guys. This is not my fault. You're the one saying I look like Stewie Griffin. This is why software does not get done here, guys. This is how software does not get developed. All right, we're going back into it. So let's see. Score insert. Let's see. Current line. Keep in mind. So I kind of lost track here. The name of the team is the key, and its associated struct is the value. Okay. So part of me is wondering. So test validates. Where's the failures? So it built. So the success is it built the scores correctly. Let me just do that just for the sake of doing things right. Good thing he doesn't have a boss. Yeah, I'd be fired by now. I mean, technically, you guys are my boss. You guys are my boss, and you're saying I look like Stewie Griffin or a Minecraft villager. I'm telling HR you said that. Okay, so let's see here. So successes, build scores. So tests. So successes. So the failures is in the validating team score number one. So as we get it, so we are just printing it out right here. Left is one, right is five. Which one is that supposed to be? And validate team score one. So yeah, we're getting an issue with the team score number one here because it looks like validating team score number two is working out. Let's see. So it's saying left is one. So should I, what, team two score? You know what? For the time being, I'm gonna do it because I am very curious about it. Let's just do Rustling's answers, okay? Because I want to move on to the next solution. And this is hurt my brain. Rustling solutions, okay. Source, we're on like hash maps number like 3 or something. This will not have it. Let's do this. Answer is hash maps 3. There we go. Okay, this is the thing right here. It looks to me your store stuck with at least one clone because of the type declaration. Because again, I have a feeling that I can't change these to mutable right here, but it does redeclare the variable. Hi everybody that is just joining the chat. So let's see here. So they have this. So what he did here, scores.entry. So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, am I supposed to do some adding operations here? But I need to read. Okay. Oh, coding time has ended. Okay. All right. Coding time has ended. Okay. We're going to look at this for a little bit. Okay. So I see the resemblance. So what? That's why I don't get anything done. Memes and Family Guy. Yeah, no kidding. You know what we should do? You know what would make coding a lot like what if we just did like, you know, what if we did like coding or not coding, like we did annoying or mobile games gameplay or Subway Surfers gameplay. Like this is the new way how to code, okay? So you just all you do is you do this. Okay. I've found the hack to coding successfully. What you do is you do this. Whoops. That one. This is how you start. This is how you code in 2023, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you code in 2023. If you can't focus correctly, you think smarter. Don't work harder, okay? So let's see here. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Is ChatGPT working? No, it's been down for at least an hour or so. So what I'm thinking, so I'm just going to go ahead and answer some questions here, guys, in case some people haven't seen it. HR is human resources. That's what it is. Just do the BuzzFeed article. Which Minecraft villager are you? Have you tried Tori? Yes, I have. Stay tuned because that is going to be an exciting new thing that we're going to be doing. Lewis is quick with the mouse. Yeah, I tried. I tried. Lewis, does Rust seem complicated? Yeah, it is pretty complicated. It's just kind of like a new way of thinking about things, I guess. Um, do a tier list right now. Oh, you know what? Next stream, Harry, I think we should do a programming language tier list. Absolutely. Do you know Swift? I don't know Swift, Cap and Coben, sadly. All right. So, hey, Lewis, how do you mix visual and written code right? Not sure. What do you mean by that? Um, this is the real deal with programming. Sitting down, researching, then coding. Yeah, absolutely. Via Jacob, yes. YouTube chat is very delayed. I'm actually so as I'm reading your comment, I am just clicking on the stream now. So I'm just trying to see here. Yeah, like I'm looking at like the so here, one second. I'm just gonna go right in the code. Let's do this. Okay. What's up, Minecraft Steve? Villager, yeah. What programming languages do you know? Python, a little bit of Java, uh, TypeScript, Rust currently at the moment, PHP. Um, what else? I think that's about it for now. I used to do a lot of old stuff back in the day. But I did, yeah, it's about 30 seconds to 40 seconds delayed. Hi, Slowly CS, how's it going? All right. So, you know what? Something that we're going to add on as well is we're adding on the Stewie Griffin PNG. Like, we're going to have to add on our boy Stewie. We'll get a nice picture. Yeah, something chat box. Something wrong with the chat box here. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I just restarted the chat box. Hopefully that kind of clears things up a little bit. Um, okay, yeah, come on. I don't want that one. We're getting Stewie Griffin up here, guys. There we go. Look at that. Stewie Griffin. The guy I look a lot like. Perfect. Look at this. It's the people I like. All right. Yeah, I know. It's only Twitch code with Stewie. Yeah, no kidding. Do you know Swift? Yeah, he knows Taylor Swift. I do know Taylor Swift. Yeah, that's what's weird is that like again the Twitch it's only showing the Twitch stream. I don't get why it's doing this. Um, which I apologize in advance here for guys because it does say that it should work on both. But I'm still reading your comments. Even though the comments are showing or like even though the comments aren't popping up, I promise you I'm still reading everyone's comments. All right, let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Also, guys, what do you think is a cool theme? I'm just going to go just quickly here. All right, a little bit before we get back into the timer. I am streaming on Twitch. Oh, is it back? I think it's back now. Coding with Stewie? Yeah, I think it should be coding with Stewie. All right, guys, let's have a look. Let's look. Code editors, like, do you even use a code editor if you don't know what theme to use? Like, it's got to be pretty. I have a bunch downloaded, but you know what? I am a big fan of the one that I have right now because it is somewhat easy on the web or on the eyes. So yes, timer has stopped, so we're going back onto it. Let's open that up and let's get back into the code. All right, let's go. So print line. So what I'm seeing here is that test build scores, success, failures. So the left means that that's supposed to be the outcome that I'm supposed to do. So let's see, keep in mind the goal scored by team one will be number of goals conceded from team two. And similarly, goals scored by team two. So do I just have to like do like something like this then? Again, like this is not necessarily something that I'm thinking is correct, but I think it. Failures, validate team score, because I don't even think that was the issue before. So validate team score one. So okay, let's just go ahead. I do want to move on to this from this one. So hash maps three. So this is the Rustlings course already. Let's just go on the rest here. Look at the so entry API. Let's look at the entry API. Guess the given's keys corresponding entry in the map or in-place manipulation. So this sounds like exactly what we need to do. Hi, everybody. Just want to say hi to everybody who's maybe just joining the stream now. What we're doing is we're just learning some Rust. Up there is a 10-minute timer. We're just going to do a timer for a little bit until we move on to the next one. And then I'll kind of like respond to questions and such. Okay, so let's have a look here. So we have a hash map. So for CH and so character, I assume in a short, oh, okay, yeah, letters, entry, and modify. Oh, okay, gotcha. So it does modify it. Okay. So maybe I should do scores.entry then. I mean, what does that exactly mean? Aborting due to, so entry, yeah. Associate function defined here. Remove the extra argument. What is the extra argument? Maybe it's this right here. Let's just try that. I have a feeling that this is not going to be the issue here. Yeah, so notice how we have chat might be lagging. I think it, so we're definitely having to use the entry API here. So, okay, entry. Let's just try this then. And then dot insert, right? Then do we do this right here? Okay, let's try it. And again, guys, I've been a programmer for years now. This is what it looks like. The program is you just got to trial and error. You're going to get it wrong sometimes and it's going to break. And I think that's, so someone says, I think we might need to check to see if the key is present and then modify else if we might need to modify the key and the value. So I think you're 100% right there. So, because again, it says no method named insert, because I think it's called or insert. So yeah, because there's an or insert. So I think it should be and modify. So and modify. Let's try that because what they said, sorry, I don't want to assume, is your average tech bro, loving the live stream. Shout out to your average tech bro, good friend of mine. He's making some really awesome stuff. So your average tech bro, let's see what we got in there. Yeah, right here. Give him a follow. Give him a subscribe here, guys, and let him know that Coding with Lewis sent you. Make some awesome shorts. Make some awesome shorts. Make sure you give him a follow. Okay, so the entry API. So letters.entry and modify or insert. Because part of me is thinking, oh, what I'm doing here is not correct. So I'm going to have a look here. Let's have a look because I do know that I did see like an entries kind of. So, okay. So I'm just going to copy this person's solution. And again, usually I wouldn't go on for a long time about this, but I really want to hammer this in with you guys and like get this correct. So let's see. So we're going to, so I did get the clone part right. So the cloning part I think is definitely necessary in order for us to do that. So let's just go ahead, dot clone. And I think it was like, we just do the or insert aspect of it, and then we do what we were doing. So let's just go ahead and do this or insert. Oh, you know what it's doing? It's because what we have to do is we have to, right here, modify it when it's outside of the scope of it. Okay, so let's just do this then. Try to do that. So 0, 0. Um, I'm just going to do this for now. And again, I am not 100% sure. And then I can see team1 dot. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do that then. Let team1 equals. So again, we're defining it to a new variable here. So let team2 is equal to that. And then what they're doing here is team1, and then they're going into it and they're grabbing the goal scored, okay? Dot goals scored. And are you able to just manipulate it like that? And then team1 dot goals conceded. Okay. Help. A local variable with a similar name exists. Team two. Do I not have team two goals? Oh, score. Okay, first of all, I want to say how much I do appreciate Go for just doing like the fact that it told me that there was another variable that existed. Like that's honestly pretty respectable. Let's go to that. Okay, first borrow later used here. So we're still getting some issues. Um, Almost there, guys. Almost there. I feel like we're getting so close. Let's go over here. If you want zero cloning, oh, someone's trying to call me. Doesn't know. Um, to string. So I'm wondering why the goal, because like I am getting like a little issue down here. Team one score. Team one score. So why am I not getting? Because I do see cannot borrow scores as mutable more than once at a time. It's because of the clone aspect of it? Geez, you don't need a second call. So scores.entry, team one name, or insert. Okay, let's just remove the clone because someone's mentioning like we can remove the clone. So here, okay, so I think the timer just ended, but let me just, I'm so close to this being done. Team two name, value used here after move. Also, let's just remove this print line there. Almost done here, guys. I know the time. I know the coding time's up, but I just want to finish. I really, really need to finish this. You don't need the second clone calls and team because, so what did he do here? They did or insert teams, team one. So why did, oh, jeez. Okay. Well, we'll get back to it later. Use of mused value. Okay. I'm just, I'm almost done here, guys. All right, screw it. All right, I know a lot of you guys are saying I've used the timer up, so we're gonna move on. Let's see. All right, going to read some of the code or read some of the comments here. So, Lewis, chat is glitchy again. I know this. I don't understand this chat, guys. I do not understand this chat. It is always glitchy, and then sometimes it just doesn't even work. That's the worst part. Rust is very good for experiencing with new features of modern languages. Yes, I think it's fixed now, but it was doing it a few minutes ago. ChatGPT Rust learning without stack when? Not sure. Preston the developer. Hey Lewis, loving the stream. What is the keyboard you're using? It is the Keychron Q2, I believe. This is, what's that? I'll just unplug it. Well, you don't get the sparkly. So it is RGB, so I look like an epic gamer for sure. This is unplugged now. It's the Keychron. What is it called here? I think it's the Keychron Q2. It's kind of heavy. Like I have another one at home, and it's like much lighter than this, but this is the one I'm using right now. I love it. It's wired, which I wish it was wireless, but it is what it is. Simply use the insert function. Guys, I love V, but Lou is building into small packages, but modules, creative V. Used to code and go. We could see Stewie, but where's Brian? I can't add the whole Family Guy cast here. Apparently, according to some of the people here, is that the villager, I kind of look like the villager. One second. And then I also kind of look like Stewie Griffin as well. So one second. No, it's like, so yeah, I'm Stewie. So you make the choice here, guys. Do I look more like Stewie? Do I look more like the villager, or do I look like somebody else? I'll add more people onto here that people think that I look like. Lewis, please do more live streams. It would be very helpful for Resolve. This is amazing. Yes, I'm absolutely would love to. Um, can you explain the use case of Rust? There's lots of use cases. Speed and optimization and safety is usually the number one reason. Um, let's see. Welcome new chatters. Welcome new chatters. Learning Python when? I'm going to create a code or a course real soon. Is making a website about a Discord server code? Of course, Explode code. Of course it is. I think we're using the duplication value in the struct as we already used it as a key. Yes, you might be 100% correct there. Don't worry, it's totally understandable. Timerless. I enjoy the min theme for VS Code. Use clone everywhere where the variable calls. Okay. Okay, I'll come back to this. Um, coding time's over for a reason. I have Q2 as well. Yeah, the Q2 really is goated. How to learn any language? Just honestly, like read a book, the documentation, and get going. Like do what I do. Like I'm messing up really badly. I've been coding for 8 years now, 8 years professionally, and which now that I think about it is a long time. But like you can see how I'm like failing to do a simple task. But when I learn this, it's going to be much better. So that thing weighs like 8 pounds. Yeah, when I first lifted it, I was like, oh my God, this thing is so freaking heavy. Coding with Villager. What am I doing? I'm learning Rust at the moment. TM Ahad, I appreciate you going into. He's just straight up writing code in the comments here. Let's hope it doesn't execute on YouTube's end. Rusting with Stewie. I meant for web dev. the only way to use Rust is by replacing JavaScript with WebAssembly. But why people aren't making websites using it if it's faster than JavaScript? Because it's kind of like not 100. I think the support for it is not like 100% there. I could be wrong though, but I think also like you have to learn a new programming language. JavaScript's easier and more versatile in terms of the web than Rust is. And I think that's why. Let's see. So, I mean, again, like WebAssembly is 95%, so it is pretty supported across all of it. But again, I think it's just mostly what it is about. Lewis is the greatest of all time at streaming. Oh, don't gas me up. I wish I was. Hi. Heyo, is transitioning from Python to Rust easy? No, not necessarily. I like if you're big on like types, then it might be a simple transition, but there's definitely a lot more to it. Is this start of this course? No, this is not the start of a course. This is just me hanging out with you guys. Um, L- Louis Stewie sounds like a good name for you. Coding with Louis Stewie? Coding with Louis Stewie? I love it. Uh, TM had just still going ham with the comments. That's so awesome. That's a lot of clones. Yeah, the Clone Wars. I got late. What are you do? I got late. What are you doing? I am learning Rust at the moment, so we're just doing some Rust practice and stuff. Um, Big fan, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't use Rust for web dev. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend Rust for web dev unless you have a specific use case for it. How to mix visual encoding and text coding, right? Are you meaning like Scratch? Will you make a video on decryption and data security? Yes, I actually have a video on how your applications can get hacked, I believe. Check that out. But yeah, I'm going to do one more on that as specifically. What distro do you use? I'm actually using Mac right now. So the Mac Linux distro. Don't hurt me, Linux users. No, I'm just using Mac at the moment, but Linux, my favorite, well, I don't have a favorite necessarily. I just use Ubuntu when it comes to Linux distros. Um, let's see. And looking at Lewis struggling makes me totally believe that imposter syndrome is very much prevalent in software engineering. Yes, it is. Absolutely. If you struggle with your code, that's okay, because like if you keep doing it often, you're going to do it. Um, let's see. WASM does not equal JavaScript. Translation for JS. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Translation. This dude, Arca Edge, 1 second. I'm trying to see if you can see it. Yeah, oh, over there, second top comment. Dude literally wrote a translation for JavaScript devs. That's hilarious. Is there a way to bypass ChatGPT is added capabilities? I think you mean capacity, but I don't think no. Where do you normally record your videos? Right here, actually. Right now, I have a green screen here. 1 second. I'm just going to turn off the filter. Actually, I won't turn off the filter. You can probably just see right here. I'm in the room right now, actually, that I record my videos. But right now, it's just in live stream mode. And did I mess that up? I think I did. There we go. Perfect. Um, Dude, can you leave app? I want to use it. Come on, man. What? I don't know what you mean. You should try out Fedora sometimes. Yeah, I should try Fedora out. I'm more so into the Debian based Linux ones, but I'm definitely down to try that. I respect you, bro, and I respect you. Thank you for watching. Hello, Lewis. Hello. What's problem? Yeah. Do you think ChatGPT is going to be paid soon? I think I already saw something that was paid, unless it was like fake on Twitter and someone was clout chasing or something. I've been a Laravel developer for 5 years. To this day, the imposter syndrome is a thing. Yeah, it absolutely is. It absolutely is. How should I start coding? Just by getting started, honestly. Like, don't delay. There's nothing you need. You need a keyboard. You don't even need a mouse. You don't even need a powerful computer. Um, Try a 5 hour game making challenge using Pygame streaming. It will be hilarious. Yes, I have a video coming out about me building a video game in a very small amount of time. I'm excited to show you guys that one. Um, the only downside to being a coder is the people you work with and for. They always expect you to know everything and get everything done, and instead they just annoy you. But you know what? As a programmer, just all you have to here's the thing, guys. Okay, here's the thing. If you want to scare people into not bothering you as a programmer, this is what you do. Okay, open up a terminal. Step one, open up a terminal. Step two, make sure you have Docker installed. Make sure you have Docker installed on your computer. Next is you run this command. Okay, Docker run BCB Carl Hollywood. Okay, you hit the enter button. All right. Then what you do is you look at your screen and then just nod your head and just say, "Yep, just as expected." Yep, 100%. Yep, that makes total sense to me. And then there you go. No one bothers you because they're scared that if they bother you, their freaking computers are going down. Their data is going to be leaked. This, this is what you got to do. This is what you got to do. All right. I'll live in my Facebook account has paid options. Yeah. Hello, bro. How's it going, Chinmay? When did you start doing this? I did about 2 hours ago, maybe. I was getting laid. What did I miss, bro? Bruh, you gotta chill. There we go. What is going on here? All right. Okay. Um, learn HTML, learn CSS, and learn JavaScript. When are you done with that? Learn a backend language. Yeah, I 100% agree. FBI is another one like that, right? I think so. I think so. C Matrix is a good one too. Any tips on programming on a Raspberry Pi with Python? Stay tuned. I have a video on that coming real soon. Love it. Show us the real Lewis, not the AI video. This is the real Lewis. What are you talking about? Sorry, I had to. All right. So, everybody, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing one more coding session here, and then I have to go. So, let's go ahead and get that started. So, the person here says to clone everywhere. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone all of this right here. So, where it says team one name, what we're going to do is we're just going to clone. Okay, and then, okay, second mutable button, mutable borrow occurs here. Bingus, hello again, Lewis. How are you? I'm great. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go back to Firefox. Let's look at this person's solution. So they, or insert team. So I think what they're saying is true. I wonder if comments work here. Missing name. Okay, so I do need to add the name for sure. I was thinking like there's no way that it's just like a mutable value or like a non-required area. So do this because this is something that we need to do. And for the sake of making the code a bit cleaner, we'll add these up here and we'll add a little bit of degree of separation so that we can make scores mutable. Okay, gotcha. So let's see. It's saying to make the scores mutable. Is it? Do I do it like that? No. Make number mutable plus. Yes, the stream will be saved to YouTube. Okay, so Let's try this here, guys. Still nothing. So TM Ahad, we got to listen to this person. He's the one. He's the goat here. He's the goat. So he's saying to let mute team name. Oh, okay. So here's the thing, though, is that I don't know if I'm supposed to change. Well, I don't see why. I don't see why I say not to. The only thing is, I wonder if it's letting me. Like, is it going to allow me to change the one up there? Because I'm just looking at a solution here. I just don't know if the team name up there, where it says up there, is supposed to be changed in um, the answer. Now, again, what I'm going to do is I'm just literally going to copy this. Let's just try to see what happens. Let's just see what happens if I do this. Yeah, there you go. So, how's it going, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the stream. So yeah, so TM Ahad. We'll put your answer on the back burner here because I do know that that would be correct if I had to do that. Right now, to I just want to see if I can do it without changing the top solution already. So exercises hash. Oh, okay, there's not gonna be. So hash maps 3. So this is what this person does. So let team 1 team. I'm just going to go here. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to see if that works. And so his solution did work. So I'm just going to see. So let's see here. Let team 1. So they assign a team struct here with the team 1 name, the goal scored, goals conceded. Let previous team is what they do here is they're going to do scores, and that is okay, scores.entry team 1 name dot to owned. So unless I need to look up right there to owned or insert team 1 previous team 1 goal scored. Okay, so it looks like it all kind of goes into this right here to owned. All right, well, let's move on because again, we got 5 minutes left and we're moving on. All right, so we're in quiz 2. Oh, quiz. All right, let's do it. What do we have to do? What is this? Use, is that what it? Transformers? Was I just supposed to listen to? There we go. That's what we got to do right there. Super command and then transformers. Now, so input. So what's the input going to be? So if you look at the transformer vec, let's see, and the return. So I'm actually not even 100% sure what this is supposed to do. Okay, let's build a little machine in form of a function. Okay, as input, we're going to give a list of strings and commands. These commands determine what action is going to be applied to the string. It can either be uppercase the string, trim the string, append bar the string. The input is going to be a vector of a 2-length tuple. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the stream here. I'm thinking about doing a stream daily, or not daily, but maybe on like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. Um, and oh, Google Drive. Yeah, I don't want Google Drive to start syncing. I was thinking about doing this 3 days a week so that we could just, do a lot more of this. Lewis, are you using your vertical monitor or normal one? I'm using an ultra wide monitor, so that's why there's actually a lot more space. Actually, I'll show you here, right here. Just since we only got a couple of minutes left here, you can see. So I am doing this right here. This is my whole monitor right here. It's extra long, so it makes it easy for me to see everything, but harder for you guys to see everything on stream. Now is a hard time trying to get this back. There we go. Did I just do that right? There we go. Okay. You should try Java Minecraft plugin. Yeah, I'm thinking about trying. I think developing something in Java with Minecraft would be really fun. Okay, well, I mean, only got a minute here, so I'd rather let's just answer some questions before we get going here. So the background chat is just frozen. Yeah, it's this thing. I don't like it's not good. I need to find a new solution in order to do this because it really is starting to annoy me. Like I want you guys on my screen here, and it's constantly freezing. Okay. All right. Um, Louis Stewie. Yep. Coding with Louis Stewie. We're gonna live stream more. The background chat is frozen. Yeah. From Paris Print. Hello, boy. How's it going? Code number 31. Yeah, the background chat just sucks. Like, I don't know what's going on with the background chat. Yeah, I don't think I need a background chat either. But to be honest, I just really want to have you guys on the screen. Like, there's something a little bit more engaging knowing that you guys have it on the back of the screen. I'm trying to figure out how to get it so that I can. Um, I'm trying to figure out how I can get it so that I can highlight your guys' comments and have it on screen as it pops up. I know there's a way you can do that on Twitch, but on YouTube it seems to not exist. MD Coder, how you doing? I'm just looking at over on Twitch too. Explode Code, you've been great. Hey Carl, how you doing? I'm using Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'll code it for you. All right, guys. Well, that's the end of the stream for today. I've been streaming for the last hour and a half, it looks like. Um, Hey Carl, yeah, you actually just missed you came at the end of the stream here. I will be continuing to do it a little bit later. But yes, I do what happens is I usually do a 10-minute coding time where I just focus straight on the code and then I don't bother reading or answering the comments specifically. And then when I just do a little bit of comment reading and then I go back into coding time. Hello, bro. Is Rust hard? Rust is pretty hard, yeah. Sada just joined. Yeah, I'm so sorry, Noob Life. There's going to be a VOD of this whole entire thing that you can watch. But if you want, there is also I will be streaming a lot more often. YouTube equals cringe. Twitch for the win. Nah, I like them both. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining today's stream. I hope you enjoy it. Let me see here. Sorry about that, guys. I tried to do a really cool thing there, but it didn't do it. But anyway, I'm heading out, guys. Thank you for watching the stream. I will be on next time, and make sure you guys join the Discord channel. All right. See you guys later.